Hello everyone, welcome back to English for You with Sabina. Today we're diving into the past simple and the past continuous tense, so stick around to get all the details. Let's get into it. The past continuous is formed by using was or were plus verb and ing. Remember the simple past of be. I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, you were, and they were. When to use the past continuous? It is used to express an action that was in progress in the past. For instance, we may say, I was sleeping, they were working all morning, or she was listening to music. The past continuous action can also be in progress at a specific time. He was working in the morning. At 9 p.m. they were waiting for the train. To use the past continuous in a question, simply invert the subject and the verb was were. For example, was Tom studying when her parents came home? Or were you sleeping when I called? To use the past continuous in the negative, use wasn't or weren't. I wasn't studying when my parents came home. Combining past simple and past continuous. We use these two sentences together when we want to talk about an event that happened during the action expressed by the past continuous. She was running when she heard her friend, or they were eating lunch quickly because they had to leave soon. Using when and while to describe actions that happen at the same time. We use when with the past continuous and the past simple to describe an action that was in progress using the past continuous when another action happened using past simple. I was studying English when the phone rang. Describe a continuous action that was already in progress using past continuous and was interrupted by a shorter action using past simple. I was going downstairs when I heard the doorbell. We use while with the past continuous to describe a continuous action that was in progress at the same time as another action, using either the past simple or the past continuous. She read the book while I was watching TV. So now it's your time. Complete the sentences using the past simple or the past continuous form of the verbs in brackets. Thank you very much for listening and see you next time. Bye!